In 1921, there was a place in America where black families were doing something powerful, not just surviving, building, owning, creating wealth that could be passed down for generations. That place was Greenwood, better known as Black Wall Street. Families owned businesses, hotels, banks, grocery stores, real estate. Money circulated inside the community. Children inherited opportunity. And for a moment, black families were building something the system feared most, economic independence. But then, it was destroyed. Homes burned, businesses erased, generational wealth wiped out in days. And one of the greatest tragedies was that so much of that wealth had no protection structure behind it. No legal shield, no trust systems, no protected transfer of assets. And over 100 years later, most families still don't have one. That's why today, we're talking about one of the most important wealth protection tools wealthy families use quietly every day, the Irrevocable Life Insurance Trust, also known as an ILIT. And no, you do not need to be rich to understand this. You need to understand this before you become wealthy, because here's the truth. Building wealth is only half the battle. Keeping it in the family, that's the real game. And if you don't have a structure, the system can take pieces of everything you built through. Taxes, probate, court delays, legal fees, confusion after death. That's where an ILIT comes in. So what exactly is an ILIT? Simple. An ILIT is a special trust designed to hold a life insurance policy outside of your taxable estate. Meaning, when you pass away, the money from that policy can go directly to your family with protection and structure, instead of chaos, instead of delays, instead of the government and courts controlling the process. Now let's break down how to actually set one up, step by step. Step 1, create the trust. Think of the trust like a container. This container will eventually hold the life insurance policy. Inside the trust, you decide who receives the money, how they receive it, when they receive it, and what rules exist around it. This is how wealthy families maintain control across generations. Step 2, choose your trustee. The trustee is the person responsible for managing the trust. This could be a trusted family member, a financial professional, or someone responsible enough to follow your instructions properly. The trustee's job is simple: protect the trust and carry out your wishes. Step 3, the trust purchases the life insurance policy. This part is important. The trust, not you, should own the policy. Why? Because ownership matters. When structured properly and the payout stays outside of your taxable estate, that's one of the major advantages wealthy families use. Step 4, fund the trust. You contribute money into the trust, and the trustee uses those funds to pay the insurance premiums. Over time, that policy grows into a protected financial asset for your family. Now imagine this for a second. A parent passes away unexpectedly. Without structure, the family struggles, bills pile up, property gets sold, confusion starts, generational wealth disappears. But with an ILIT, the family receives protected funds. The home can stay in the family. Children can still go to school. Businesses can survive. Legacy continues. That's the difference. And listen carefully. This is not just about money. This is about preserving the sacrifices of your bloodline. Because too many families build wealth only for it to disappear within one generation. Not because they didn't work hard, but because they didn't have structure. And that brings us back to Tulsa. They showed us what ownership could look like. Businesses, land, banks, community wealth. But now, our generation has to rebuild smarter. Not just earning money, protecting it, structuring it, passing it down intentionally. Now, if you're serious about learning how to build and protect family wealth, I already created 2 step-by-step systems to help you get started. The Family Bank Starter System breaks down how to create a system where money circulates inside the family instead of constantly leaving it. And the ILIT Trust Blueprint shows you how to structure and protect your wealth properly for the next generation. Both links are below. This is just the beginning of this series, because rebuilding legacy starts with rebuilding structure. And maybe, just maybe, the way we honor what was lost in places like Black Wall Street is by making sure it never happens to our families again.